Hi everyone, welcome to the OST Alpha 3 release of DAOist. We are the open source decentralized autonomous organization. Basically, a DAO is a way for a number of members to organize around a task or a set of tasks without having to know or trust everyone in the organization and being able to do it remotely. And it does this by utilizing the blockchain and sometimes smart contracts. Really, the only thing you need to know about DAOs is that they're self-organizing. Members can choose their own fate. They sign up, they can buy tokens, they can receive and give tokens within the organization. These tokens don't necessarily need to be used just for the organization, although they do perform a bunch of functions within the organization, but you can use these tokens to carry over in any apps you built or anything like that. So there are three primary aspects to the DAOist app. One is that it's going to be run solely by the members. So the idea is we pay out management, development, etc. all come through fees in BT. Members can determine their own criteria for entry, so it's very self-organized. It's based on ideas. The whole principle is that anyone can post an idea, and from development to marketing events, whatever you want to do in this group, anyone can stake tokens to that idea, and when enough has reached for the value of that idea, it can be executed. And then finally, everything is done using whatever the branded token is in the OST environment to pay for ideas, but also incentives in the environment itself. So why did we use OST? We used OST because it's a fast time to market. We can test the market without significant investment. We have easy dashboard access to see what's going on. We don't need to acquire any new technical knowledge. We can plug things in like the wallet API without having to worry about how the blockchain is actually managing it. And there are lots of upcoming features in the roadmap for OST that are going to be great. We have three great people on this team. Myself, I'm project manager, and I've worked with the other two, Michael Tintug and Boris Verhoff, were full stack engineers and absolutely amazing at what they do. So our plan for Alpha 3, we had a number of objectives, primarily integrating the wallet API as it's now available. Specifically, we wanted users to be able to see how many tokens they had and what the fiat value was, but also be able to open a dialogue and see what their transactions were. In addition, we wanted to enable liking, which would be a user-to-user transaction that would give the person they like tokens and instill trust in other people. And then we had a few other things we also wanted to accomplish. So once you log in to the app, you can now see how many members there are in the organization, and you can see these members, and we have some pagination. The trusting will tell you how many people have liked them. So this is a user-to-user transaction. This tells us how many Vincoins are available in the system, right? These are the whatever your branded tokens are. This will tell us how many ideas are in the system. And up here is our total amount that's available. So you can see I have 175 and change of Vincoins, which is about 42 cents. If I click on this, it will open up a dialog which shows me my wallet. It shows me how many I have, how many are available, and it'll also show me my transaction list, which I can page through and see all the transactions, everything that I've sent or received from within the system. So this all uses the new wallet API. And then you can see here we have all of our trusting, which are essentially the likes. So you can see how many likes each person has, which instills their trust because it is a paid transaction. And here's some live log of some of the transactions that we've done, testing behind the scenes. You can see that these are a number of different like transactions that are happening in real time. And then you can look in the dashboard and see how these are updating and showing all the interactions that are happening in the OST environment. So that's it. I hope you've really enjoyed DAOist. I know we have really enjoyed all of our participation in these alpha POCs. And this has been our favorite, and we're really excited for where we've gotten and where we're going to go from here. Thank you very much.